Welcome back to 30 Days of Sound Body Wisdom. I'm Renée Simpson, the Self-Love and Happiness Coach, a positive psychology coach, and the owner of Well Diva Lifestyle and Travel. In this 30-day series, I'm guiding you in an exploration of the deep mind-body connections in your own healing journey. Each day, we look at a different body part, its wisdom, and how it reflects our emotions and spirit. Today, we're focusing on spiritual fatigue, that deep exhaustion that goes beyond the body and the mind. It's when your spirit feels drained, disconnected, or empty. You might be showing up for everyone else, but inside, you feel like you've lost your spark, your joy, or even your sense of purpose. Burnout, not just overwork. It's living misaligned, pouring out while never being poured into. Your body may show it as constant tiredness, headaches, or sleep problems. Disconnection, feeling cut off from God, from intuition, or from your community. Even prayer or meditation may feel dry and empty. Loss of purpose, when your days feel like survival instead of creation. This often happens when you've ignored your inner calling for way too long. For many Black women, spiritual fatigue is tied to the strong Black woman expectation, being everything for everybody. It leaves little room for getting rest or for being vulnerable. That constant giving without receiving depletes the spirit. If spiritual fatigue goes unaddressed for too long, the body is eventually going to carry the weight of this. And these are some of the ways that it can show up. Chronic fatigue syndrome, extreme unexplained exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. Autoimmune disorders. Stress and depletion can confuse the immune system, leading to lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and many other autoimmune conditions. Depression and anxiety. Long-term emptiness can deepen into diagnosable mental health struggles. Sleep disorders. Insomnia, restless nights, or oversleeping often accompany spiritual depletion. Cardiovascular issues. Constant burnout raises stress hormones, straining the heart. Digestive disorders. Ulcers, IBS, chronic indigestion. These are ways that the body communicates that it can't stomach life as it is. Weakened immunity. Frequent colds, infections, and slow healing. Spiritual fatigue is a sign that your soul is crying out to you to pause, return, and restore. It's not failure, it's a divine signal to come back to your center. So for today's guided practice, close your eyes, place both hands gently over your heart, inhale slowly, and whisper, "I receive." Exhale slowly and whisper, "I release." Repeat this 3 times, letting yourself feel both the receiving and the releasing. And for today's affirmation, repeat after me. I allow myself to rest, to be restored, and to reconnect with my divine purpose. Now let's say it together. I allow myself to rest, to be restored, and to reconnect with my divine purpose. Spiritual fatigue reminds us that our soul needs care just as much as our body and mind. When we ignore it, illness can become the body's way of forcing us to stop. But when we honor it, healing can begin. If this resonates with you, know that you do not have to walk this path alone. In my coaching, I help women who feel drained by the responsibilities they have, learn how to set boundaries, rest without guilt, and reconnect to their true purpose. Together, we create a plan to shift you from survival mode into a life that feels lighter and more aligned. Thank you for joining me for day 27 of Sound Body Wisdom. Tomorrow, we move into day 28, Skin, Boundaries, Visibility, and Self-Acceptance. I'll see you then.